Ooh, look, ingredients. If you were here last week, you probably know what we're making. And as always, best kitchen helper ever. Of course, right in the middle of the kitchen instead of off to the side, because, you know, gotta catch all the stuffs. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if we can cook it, so can you. If you guys were here last week, you saw that we made apple butter pie, and it was amazing. And I wanted to make it again for Thanksgiving, which was just a few days ago, to take out to my parents' house. But I couldn't find an apple butter that I actually liked that wasn't like packed full of cloves. So we're gonna make apple butter right now. And if you didn't figure it out, I'm filming this before Thanksgiving, but you guys are seeing it after Thanksgiving because I gotta take this pie to Thanksgiving and have everybody try it. So we're gonna show you today how to make easy Instant Pot apple butter. What is this? Second best kitchen helper ever and third best kitchen helper ever apparently have no ideas that apples are happening in here. You'll figure it out shortly. So this recipe is going to make just about 2 cups, maybe a little bit more, of apple butter, which is exactly what you need to make the pie. If you would like to make more apple butter, double the recipe. You're going to need 4 pounds of apples. What kind? We're using random apples. You can pretty much use whatever kind you would like. It's going to make a different flavor profile. Pick whatever you want. Pick some apples. So you're going to need 4 pounds of apples. Hi, Memphis. You're going to need about a half a cup of apple cider. Now, the reason I'm using this is because we are making this in the Instapot, and I don't want it to burn, so we got to have a little bit of liquid in there, so we're using apple cider. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're going to need a tablespoon of cinnamon. You can also use allspice, cloves, different things. We're only putting cinnamon in ours. You're going to need a cup and a half of light brown sugar. You're also going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. First thing we're going to do, you don't have to peel your apples, but I'm going to peel these apples. So we're going to peel the apples, core them, and cut them up. And that's what we're going to do right now. So we have our epic apple peeler, and we're not going to use this to core it. This would core the apples as well. You don't have to be, precise in getting all the skin off, but we'll get most of it off. And then we're going to use this thing here to core the apple and cut it into pieces. You don't have to cut it into small pieces. That's about how many pieces you want it in. Ooh, have fun, hun. And yeah. And then the core is done. And then we're going to take all the rest of those pieces and put them in this pot. We're just going to put them right in this pot. And we're going to do this fast enough. We don't have to worry about them browning. It's going to turn brown anyway because we're cooking them. Mm-hmm. Would you like a little mini apple noodle? Oh, you didn't have to get up. I would have got up. Ready? Catch. Oh, you missed it. Nobody else is coming here for an apple noodle? Oh, maybe Memphis gets them all. Oh, there she is. She's like, well, wait a minute. Apples are happening? Oh, gosh. That's too long of a noodle. Hold on.
Let me help you.
Yeah, thank you. Too long of a noodle. Ready? Catch. I don't think I got you catching that on camera, but you did catch it. Are you getting more apple noodles?
Yeah.
I need one for Miss Kira, please.
Okay.
All right, deliver it to the princess. Look at you with your little crossy paws. You're so fancy. Would you like an apple noodle? Like, heck yeah, I want an apple noodle. There you go. See, you know how to eat it. I'll bring you an apple piece later, too. You're adorable. Slowly filling up the Instapot. If you don't have an Instapot, you can actually do this on the stove. So you can cook it on the stove, and basically you just do all the same things we're doing, and then you simmer it on the stove at a really low temperature for what feels like forever, and eventually it just thickens. You could also do this in a slow cooker. I believe in a slow cooker you have to do it for like 12 hours. Same kind of thing. You're basically just simmering all the excess moisture and making it really thick to the thickness that you like. So if you don't have an Instapot, you can still make this. Ooh. See, like I said, they don't have to be perfect.
That's funny.
Yeah. She's like, Dad, maybe one more apple noodle?
I can adjust that to make it
You could.
to where it could get that, but I just have small.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, that one stuck in my hand, so I gotta let it go.
Eleanor's like, me too, please, Dad, me too.
Or maybe the noodle's really small.
Hey, Kira, you want an apple noodle? Think she'll come in here?
Maybe.
I doubt it. In here with your beautiful little crossy paws. Apple noodle. You're the cutest. I said we're using a variety of apples. These ones are super tart.
Yes,
And some of ours are a little softer, some of them are a little hard.
This
So
reminds me of like a green apple, even though
yes,
it's red.
yeah. I don't know what kind of apple this is, but it's delicious. But like I said, lots of variety of apples. Oh, also, these are all apples that were backyard ground apples. Not really, backyard tree apples, I guess.
Yeah.
And we turned them into dog treats for the dogs.
Yep. Freeze-dried.
So many apples.
I mean, you can make a pie out of that if you want.
You could make a pie out of that. Those are
really
very good apples. All right, let's keep on trucking. Would you like a piece of apple? This is not the sour one. That's the good one. Did you even chew it? My goodness. Would you like a piece of apple? That's how it's done, Memphis. You're supposed to chew it. All right. To the princess. Hey, princess. No more crossy paws. Would you like an apple? That's a good crunch. Look it. Kira figured out there is apples. It only took apple noodles, apple pieces for her to go, whoa, wait. There is, yes.
Yes.
Yes. She's like, don't forget me. I'm the youngest. Eleanor shark doo 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 doo. Eleanor shark doo 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 doo. Happiest puppers ever. All right, so we're almost done cutting up apples. Okay, we have all of our apples. Think I should do this on my own, or you want to try to do this?
You got it.
Okay, so this is the brown sugar. We're adding everything that I showed you in the beginning to this. So we have brown sugar. We have the lemon juice. We have the vanilla. We have the apple cider. That's Honeycrisp apple cider, by the way. So this is going to be really, really interesting. We have the cinnamon. And then I need a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. We are going to stir this up just a little bit. We're kind of just moving it all around, get everything a little coated, and then we're going to run the Instapot for a really long time. Not really, just for an hour. Stirred it up a little bit. Lid on. Can I do this one-handed? There we go. Make sure your seal is on. I've put this on without the seal on. Lock it closed. Make sure you close your vent. Come down here. Pressure cook. You want high pressure for 1 hour. We're just going to let this do its thing. I have a feeling it's going to smell amazing in here. Okay, so once it goes for about an hour, you want to let this naturally vent for 10 to 15 minutes. This has already been naturally venting. You can see it says 9 minutes. I'm actually going to hit that. We're going to let it naturally vent for a few more minutes. And then I'm going to turn that and let all that stuff out. And then we're on to the next step. All right, here we go. I'm going to vent it. See how much. This is going to smell amazing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It already does. Memphis is like, I'm in here smelling it right now. Lift off. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. Mm-hmm. Next step, we're going to immersion blender this. We're going to take this in there and immersion blender it. And just immersion blender it all up. And yes, it's going to look kind of like applesauce. We're not done with it after immersion blendering it. We have one more step. It says, I don't know about your steps, but drop some food this way, please. Best kitchen helper ever. Yes, you are. You sure are. Just try a little bit of it. You can't eat it all because we need it for the pie. Try it. I need your opinion. I mean, it's not done yet. I still have another step, but you can try it now.
There's definitely some on there.
Yeah?
Oh.
Better than the stuff we bought from the store that tastes like you opened a jar of cloves?
Yeah, better than that, but it's really close to the stuff we got from the apple farm.
That's what I was hoping for.
Really close.
That's what I wanted.
Did you try it?
No, but I'll try it after I simmer it. So, no, I'm going to try it after I simmer it. I got to simmer it. Jamie's shoving food in my mouth. Apparently, I have to try it now. It's not done now. It needs to be thicker.
Okay. Yeah, it could very well be thicker. But flavor...
It's totally no good.
That's delicious.
Why didn't we make double of this?
Yeah, we'll have to make another batch.
We're going to have to make more. Okay, now on to the next step. That's so good. Tell you the next step. Did you know some people do this and they put like apple pie spice and all kinds of different spices in it to make it taste all different ways?
You could, absolutely.
May have to try that. So anyway, next step. This is where this becomes a lot of work.
Great on toast.
Great on toast. You hit saute. We are actually going to saute this. I don't know why it says 30, but we're going to saute this on high. So I have to move this to, I have to remember how to work my machine.
There you go.
Got it. We're going to saute this on the more. So we're going to saute it on high for 20 to 40 minutes, stirring frequently. You don't want to let it burn. Thank you for letting me know that you're ready. So basically what we're going to do is this is going to heat up and we're going to get more of this moisture out. That's what we're doing. It's going to be all bubbly like this. So about every 2 minutes, I'm stirring it. So hopefully make it so that it doesn't burn and it's just thickening it up. Well, that cooked down quite a bit. You can see it's pretty thick. The real way to test to see if it's done is to put it on like a spoon, let it cool completely, and then see if it actually like drips off. But this is definitely thick enough. I'm gonna leave it sit right here because the heating element of this is still warm. I'm gonna leave it sit here for probably another 30 minutes, just kind of cool off, and then I'll cool it more than that. That looks and smells amazing. Okay, so now that we have let this cool down considerably, I have put it into another container because now it's actually safe for me to put in the fridge. I'm going to show you guys. It's not completely cold yet, but it's safe enough to go in the fridge. See how when I put the spoon in it, see how it doesn't just like drip right off? That's how you can tell that it's done. You want it to be pretty thick. We'll check this again in the morning because like I said, I am going to put it in the fridge overnight. This is really, really, really good. This recipe should make between 4 and 6 cups, I guess is what it said. So I think that's what we got. I'm going to put it in the fridge. We'll check back in the morning. But for you guys, it's right now. And now that it has cooled overnight, check this out. We made delicious apple butter. Now, oh, look at that. It's a perfect thickness. That's how you know it's perfect. Now it's time to try it. Right, hon. I put some on toast.
It's amazing.
It smells amazing.
It does.
I also have a spoon in case you do want to try some on a spoon as well.
I might do that first.
Oh, there you go. Try it on a spoon. Wait, before you try it on a spoon, check this out.
That's very good.
That's how you know we made it right.
That's very good. I don't know why I'm blowing on it.
It's not hot anymore. It's the right texture. It's the right everything, I think. Do you want to compare it to one of the store-bought ones?
No, because I remember the store-bought
okay,
ones.
good. All right.
Okay, now, oh yeah, that's for toast.
Yeah. So there's some toast. That's some simple toast. I didn't put butter on it before because it's apple butter. Yeah, think it's gonna make a good pie.
It'll make a great pie.
Yes, I'm excited. We have to make that later today too.
I can see why the clove and the other spices is good on it because
yes,
it blends better with toast.
Yes.
It just tastes appley.
Yeah.
It's very good though.
But I don't like the clove and the other spices. But maybe we'll make another variation soon. It's a win?
Yeah.
Good.
Perfect.
Good. It smells so good. That is amazing. Super easy to do. It's going to be perfect for the pie, which actually I'm making later today because the day I'm filming this tomorrow is actually Thanksgiving. So we're going to try this out in the pie, and I think it's going to be amazing. And again, if you want to see the pie that we used the apple butter for, that went up last week. I'll put a link to it up in the sky here and down in the video description below. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video as always. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.